So lately, Tesla has been quiet with their Optimus robot. Like, what's going on with it? It's been very quiet. All eyes are on Robotaxi, the SpaceX IPO, all eyes are on that. And Tesla's not talking too much about the Optimus. In fact, they're trying to dodge it. Well, if Tesla's not going to talk about it, their suppliers definitely are, and they just leaked some very big information that I think will get you bullish. Not financial advice, but it'll probably make you buy more Tesla stock. That's all I'm going to say right now. So let's just get down to it. Smash that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go. But before that, I do want to talk about this factory, the 10 million Optimus production factory that's being made in that's being built out in Texas. Shout out to Joe Tagmeyer with the drone going up and giving us an update of what's going on. Mind you that this particular video is the latest that we got. It was on May 27th, so you can tell how far they are today, because today is June 10th. He writes here that big news at the new Optimus 10 million a year factory construction site today. The first steel structure has been erected, and as expected, the second phase of the land reclamation is underway. This will allow the new factory to grow to nearly the same length as the main Giga Texas factory, although it will be a few 150 to 70 meters narrower. If you did not realize the massive size of this new factory, this should tell you all you need to know. That's actually pretty flippin' nuts. The same size, a little bit narrower than the actual Giga Texas factory, just for Optimus. That is nuts. A lot of steel beams and columns were being delivered to the site today and using the same staging yard in the nearby Lone Tree field. You guys can see from the photos, the steel structure, all this kind of stuff is now all being in place. This Optimus thing is something that is going to surprise all of us when they start to scale massively. I mean, we got Fremont. We'll talk about that right now with a big leak because everything matches perfectly when it comes to that. Before I get to the big leak, Elon has mentioned and confirmed many times that the Fremont factory, the Optimus bots will start to ramp either in late July or August. Well, guess what? July is next month and August is 2 months away. So literally, it's happening next month at the earliest. And the leak that we know here matches that. Shout out to Money Marshall for breaking this down. Breaking news, Tesla Optimus V3 robots new batch orders officially issued. Earlier this week, it is reported that Tesla has placed the first clear mass production order for Optimus V3 with core suppliers, with the project officially moving from PPA framework stage to SOP mass production preparations. Q3 weekly production of 50 to 100 units. And remember guys, Q3 begins in July. So July, August, and September. I'm just saying, aligning with what Elon has been talking about for some time, ramping up to over 2,000 units by year end, which is nuts. The mass production inflection point for the humanoid robot industry from 0 to 1 has been firmly established. Market focus is about to shift from grand narratives to the revaluation of core supply chain assets with definite market shares that can deliver on performance. Optimus is accelerating its takeoff. Are you ready for this wave of dividends? And the source come from Alpha Pi, which is from Chinese source as well. Now, of course, this was just a rumor, but then apparently it wasn't. This was confirmed the day after. Following up here by Money Marshall saying that Tesla key component supplier confirms. It's confirmed. Sheesh. Weekly production of 50 Optimus units has landed. The mass production rumor comes from Jiang Rongtide. Sorry if I butchered that name. Brackets numbers. As a core supplier to Tesla, its ball screw, including planetary roller screw, business has deeply penetrated Optimus. According to disclosures to Zhongtai securities analysts, single Optimus uses 10 ball screws, 4 in hands plus 6 in body, with a market share as high as 70%, holding a dominant position, which is nuts. Confirmed delivery of 550 units in the next 2 months, corresponding to a weekly production capacity plan of 50 units officially starting. Value per Optimus in ball screws is approximately 15 to 18,000 Chinese yuan, which is about $2,500 in US, which is insane. That's how important these ball screws are. Sheesh. Tesla's automotive plus humanoid robot dual wheel drive is in motion. That is nuts. That is absolutely nuts. A better breakdown here is from this other Chinese user that lists out the supplier progress, which the first one we just talked about, which is the Ziyang Rontange. Weekly production capacity implemented 50 units, delivered in the next 2 months 550 units. But the other one, CDZQ, V3 harmonic reducer per unit requires 16 units. Production capacity is 1 million, corresponding to the next year's robot production, 60 to 70,000 units, which is flippin' nuts. Equipment installation phase in July, entering mass production August and September, which aligns with Q3 and what Elon's been talking about for all this time. So this is a big leak. I mean, this is a big leak coming from Tesla suppliers in China, pretty much saying that, yeah, Tesla is ordering all these things that they need for Optimus, and this is what they're ordering, and this is how much they're planning to produce. Telling us exactly what the plan is. I mean, I guess in Elon's eye, this is not much of a big problem. Elon has always said that he doesn't want to show the Optimus, and I don't think he's going to show the Optimus V3 unless it's in heavily production phase, maybe September, maybe even October. Maybe he won't even show it at all unless it's ready to be sold to other companies. Because as Elon has said many times, and even Tesla, that they copy what they do frame by frame. And as a Tesla investor, of course, I don't want any other robots company to copy what they do, of course. But if this is what Elon is talking about, if this is how he can protect the Optimus and surprise us in a good way, then as an investor, sure, don't show us. But when you're about to sell this thing, we're all going to see what it's going to be. And don't forget, guys, if they're working on Optimus version 3, this is a highly likely chance that they're working on, not highly likely chance, they are working on a version 4, Optimus version 4. I'm just saying. So this is interesting. Tesla suppliers are coming out saying that they are pretty much getting ready for mass production in a couple months. Sheesh! That's the big leak. And before all this news gets digested, right now everyone's being distracted with all what's going on, the conflict in the Middle East, SpaceX IPO, all this stuff. But if you can sit down and see what's going on here, I mean, guys, 2,000 units per week being built, Optimus, in the Fremont. And then next year, summer, a year from today, Optimus will be produced in Giga, Texas, at an annual production of 10 million. You're going to have 11 million Optimus being produced annually. I don't know, man. I feel like we're buying this stock on the cheap. I'm just saying that right now. Not financial advice, but that's all. That's all for you to decide. These are the leaks that I want to tell you, because these are big leaks and we can't really, not talk about them, right? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, you're definitely going to enjoy this video with Joe and I. We talked about how Tesla there's going to be a merger for sure, but how Tesla is going to be getting the premium, Tesla investors and the stock, how that's going to happen and how everyone's going to vote yes for it. And it's a very good scenario. I recommend you guys to check that out. Subscribe, guys, become a channel member, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go.